We're live, right? So, today is another day. We are going to do a level crown and polish on this guitar. Yeah, I just want to connect to the switcher right here. Yeah, here it is. It's on the bench. I'm going to remove this plate, and I am going to mark off the frets in red. Yeah, now speaking of frets, I do want to show you, I had to use steel wool to clean them. So after our live stream yesterday, I removed the neck again. I just couldn't clean the frets sufficiently. I had to use steel wool, but I removed the neck. I didn't do it on the bench. I did it outside over, you know, an area that's controlled. I used magnets and I taped off every fret so that I didn't scratch the fretboard. So now I want to show you what a polished fret looks like if we use steel wool. Now, it's going to depend on how smooth the fret surface was before we use steel wool. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's have a look at that. Here, we see it. We zoom in. What we see. So it didn't make it very shiny. Okay, maybe too much light here. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't know what that red thing is. Something red. I didn't put any red marker yet. I don't know, it's very bright red. I don't think it's blood. It wouldn't look as bright as this. Let's see this fret. Yeah, so the surface is quite rough. Yeah. Now, if we don't use a microscope, it looks like this. All right? So let's zoom in on this. Yeah, but it's just steel wool. That's it. Okay, nothing more, nothing less than steel wool. Okay, so now I am going to put some red marker on these frets. So I use a red marker, and I use a fret guard like that, right? I'm clumsy today. Just like that. Right? Yeah. Very self-explanatory. I mark off every single fret. So this will allow me to monitor, you know, how much material I'm removing. Okay. There's 24 frets on this one. This takes a minute, obviously. Some people use black marker. I don't know why. I can't see much if I use a black marker. I tried. Okay. We are done with this. Okay, next thing we need to do is remove the pick guard. So let me put this away. Yeah, I just want to remove the pick guard and the pickups so that I don't, scratch the pickups as I am. And also we're going to have to service the pick guard, so it's just good to have it off the guitar, all right? Yeah, there you have it. And once again, because these are corroded screws, I'm putting them, relict. I'm putting them back in the same order, so I want to put them in order here on my bench. I don't want to use a power tool on these. Usually if it's a vintage guitar, I avoid using power tools. All right, 3 more to go. One more. Okay, so I'll keep the screws in order. And now I have one more screw here. Oh, look at that, one more. I missed, almost missed. Okay, so this one goes in between here. Okay, so now I already took pictures of the wiring. I have that. So all I need to do is remove this wire here. It's a bit tangled up. Okay. It's a pretty standard connection. Okay, so we don't want to overheat anything. Sometimes it helps to use a little bit of fresh solder, which is what I'm going to do now, as a heat sink. Okay, just gotta put these wires away. Maybe I can show you a close-up. All right, this should be good. So I removed this wire, which was connected to this here. All right, there's a capacitor here as well. And now I gotta remove the grounding wire here. But gotta remove both of them, I guess, at the same time. So I will first add a little bit of solder there. I'm gonna melt on top, and that's going to kind of melt the old one as well. Okay, and now just remove this. There you go.
So I don't need it tonight. I'm probably gonna need this to go back in the room tomorrow.
Okay, and I think I need to remove these as well here. So same trick. Okay. Put this here and unplug right away. And what I want to do is I want to clean the tip. Okay, let this cool off. Anything else? No, that's it. Okay, so now I can service this separately, and I can do a level crown and polish on the neck jig separately without worrying about scratching the pickups. Let me think here for a moment. Is there anything else I need to do here? No. There's nothing to be done here anymore. So I just prepped the guitar. What I'm going to do now is take a little break and then put the guitar on the neck jig, and we're going to do a level crown and polish.